everybody. I am with Gene Holland. What's up, Gene?
Oh, everything's lovely.
Is it lovely?
Yep.
Let's-
5 years ago, we met and bought one from it. We bought this one.
That's right.
And then 5 years later, we bought this one.
2020, limited 4Runner with safety sense and everything. That's why you wanted the 2020.
That's right.
We're going to cut away and we're going to take a look at the very first video that you ever made.
Everybody, this is Kenny Landrum at Toyota Bowling Green. Got 2 more happy customers. Their names are
Gene Holland, South Holland. And it's a great day at Toyota Bowling Green. We met Kenny and he gave us a great deal. We were really pleased with it. We almost worked out another deal. We're really satisfied with this deal.
awesome, guys. I really appreciate your business, and make sure you tell all your friends about me. Kenny Landrum at Gary Force Toyota Bowling Green. Thanks, guys. Appreciate
The
you.
very first video you made with me. We sure have come a long way, haven't we?
Yep. My wife calls him Tweety, and I've been calling him Sweetie.
Sweetie,
But he'll answer neither one.
I will answer either one. I appreciate you and your wife's business again.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Where should people go when they're looking for a brand new vehicle?
Toyota and Bowling Green.
And who should they see?
Sweetie or
Sweetie or Tweety. And Courtney, I moved up to sales manager, so Courtney is the one that's taking real good care of you. She's going over all the technology in the vehicle. And go see Courtney or Sweetie at Toyota Bowling Green.
That's right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.